Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the basic computer complete course in detail. So we will discuss what's a computer, what are the properties, and what are the basic softwares we need to use the computer. Okay. So most of the is not very much detail, but you get an idea how you can use all those things. So first we will go and see what are the points we are going to discuss in this video. First is the computer fundamentals, that is the introduction of computer. Then we will move to the basic softwares, that is Paint, Notepad, and WordPad. Then we will move to the Microsoft Office products like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Outlook. Then we will move to Internet like browser, surfing, email, downloading, online work. So we will discuss all those things. Then we will go and discuss operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Okay. Introduction to a computer. So here you can see a demo video. This is working on a laptop. So what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device that takes instruction from us and gives the result after processing. So you will give some input, the computer will process and give you the output. So it's a machine. So you can see the different parts of a computer. So in the picture you can see desktop computer and a laptop. So in desktop computer you can see monitor, CPU is a central processing unit, or you can see call it as a computer case, printer, headphones, mouse, keyboard, and speaker. And here you can see a laptop. Difference between these two is you can take the laptop wherever you like, and the desktop you will never take with you. You will keep in your table and you will do your work. But laptop you can take to some other place. If you want to work in a coffee shop, you can take the laptop to the coffee shop and take work. So that's the difference between these two. So how does a computer work? So input, process, output. If you input keyboard and mouse, so you put 6,6 plus. It will process in the CPU 6 plus 6, and you will get the output in the monitor saying it's stored, the answer is stored. Give another example. You have a film in your PC, you click that one with the mouse, open. So the process CPU will process that one, and you can see the window in the monitor. You can see the video open and play. So you can see the film there. Okay, so this is the process which is going on. So you'll see what are the characteristics of a computer. So a computer have many features, but we will discuss six main features. First one is the speed. A computer works very fast. Okay. Second, reliability. A computer is very reliable and it does not make mistakes. Whatever the input we are giving, it will give the correct output for that. The third one is versatility. So a computer can perform variety of tasks efficiently. Okay. The fourth one is storage. A computer can store large amount of data for your future use. Whatever is stored in there in the computer, like documents, films, music, any copy of the books, can store large amount of data. Multitasking. A computer can do many tasks same time. It can open a word, can work on the document. At the same time, you can play music in the background to hear the music. So multitasking you can do. The sixth one is the diligence. A computer can work for a long time without getting tired or bored. So the computer never get bored or tired. So it will work for as long as it goes. Okay. So if you do some work, it will work continuously and finish the work without get tired or bored. So these are the characters of a computer. Then we will move to the uses of a computer. We can use computer for many purposes, but we are here listing a list the main points like creating documents, learning new things, playing games, perform the calculations, buying and selling things online. Somebody can see Amazon, Flipkart, you can buy or sell things from online. You can listen to the music, watch movies and cartoons, and apply for jobs. Nowadays, all the companies advertise their jobs in online. So you can apply online for that job. Okay. So these are some of the major uses of computer. Now we will move to the computer part. So this is, you can have two types. What is a computer hardware and have a computer software. First, we will discuss about computer hardware. So what are the computer hardwares? The first one is input device, second one is output device, third one is system unit, and fourth is the storage device. Let's see what are the input devices. You have keyboard, a mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, and you have touch screen. You know the touch screen in the mobile phones and all. Same, some of the laptops or PC having also the touch screens. So you can do the input through any of this, and the computer will process that. So these are all called the input devices. So output devices. What are output devices? What the input you are giving, you have to see that one or you have to listen that one, right? That is called output devices. For that one, you have monitors, printers, and speakers. Monitor where you're watching films or you can work documents. Printer where you can print the documents or images or your picture of yours. You can print it in the printer. Speakers where you can see hear the musics or the sound from the film or some internet translation sound or internet YouTube video sounds. You can, that's a speaker it will use for. So you have these three output devices, and you have the system unit. System unit is the main part of the computer. So it consists of the CPU, motherboard, hard disk, and CD-ROM. CPU is the central processing unit where you get all the process having going through that one. So you can see here a system unit. It is also called a computer case. So in the computer case, you can see optical drive, hard disk drive, motherboard, expansion slots, connections, power supply. So these all things inside the computer case or the system unit. That one in the central processing unit, you see this CPU means central processing unit. Okay, so this is the main part of a computer. So storage device. As we discussed, computer can store a large amount of data. So how you can store those data? So you have many devices where you can store your data. You can have a hard disk, you can have a CD-ROM disk, you can have a DVD disk, you can have a Blu-ray disk, pen drive, and external hard disk also. So these are the devices where you can store your data for your future use. Okay. So now we'll move to the softwares. We discussed about the hardware part. Now we'll move to the software part. There are two types of software we are using in the computers. One is system software, and the second one is the application software. What is a system software? System software that controls and manages the overall activity of a computer or a laptop. So for the example, it's an operating system. You know, most of them know about Windows. Okay, it's a Microsoft product. So you were working on that one. So that Windows is control and manage the activity of computer or laptop. Okay, so those are called system softwares. How Windows, Linux, Mac, different operating systems are there. And the second is the application software. Application software is the software that performs specific tasks for the user. So example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Page. So in the Word, you can type a document for you. Paint, you can draw a picture. So these all are called the application softwares. Okay, so these are the software and hardware and the benefits of the computer we discussed in this. In this video, we are going to discuss about the basic softwares that we can use in the computer. So first we will move to Notepad. Notepad is a text editor from Microsoft to create document. Okay. So it's a simple text editor. It's not powerful as Microsoft Word or something. So you can create simple text editor to create a document. So there is a video coming up, so you can view that one. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment box, or if you want a detailed video, you can let me know, so I will create a detailed video for you. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how we can open and work on a notepad. For that, you can click on the start button of the Windows, or you can type in the search notepad. It will open the notepad. Click on the notepad icon and it will open the notepad window. So you have the notepad open now. If you want to pin this notepad in the taskbar, come to the taskbar. This is the taskbar. Come to taskbar, you can see the notepad icon. Right click on that one and click on the pin to taskbar option. Now the notepad is pinned to the taskbar option. You can see next time when you comes, you don't need to go to the start button or the search. Directly click in the taskbar notepad icon. It will open for you. And this is a minimize button. If you click the minimize, it will get minimized. And this is a maximize button. If you click, it will get maximized. And this is the close button. And we have different options here in the notepad: file, edit, format, view, help. Now you can see the name of the notepad is untitled because till now we didn't save the file. So how we can do all these things? So first you see, if you click the file, if you want to new notepad, you type something here that you want to click a new one. I type something, but I don't want this one, so I want a new one. So click new. So it will ask whether you want to save or don't save. If you want to save, you can save. If you don't want, click don't save. Or cancel means it will not do anything. Now the new notepad came and my previous typed one is gone without saving. This is the new one. So what is open? If you have already saved something in your computer, your old work or something, click open. So I have two notepad already saved here. If I click one, it's in the desktop of this PC, and I click the one of the text document and I open that one again. So I can open and again start my work editing this one. What is saved? If you start doing your work, the first thing you have to do is save your work. Otherwise, if any issues, your work can get lost. So save, click on the save button. It will save under the same first_1 notepad. If you want to click save as, if you want to click save as, it will open a window asking for your location. So desktop is showing. So already the previous one which I opened, the name is already there. So I'm changing that to 2. And you can see the notepad is saving the file in .txt. So it will be first_.txt. You click the save button. You can see now in the desktop first_2 came. So this is how you can save and save as. Save means it will save on the same page. Save as means we can save it in a different way. And this is the print setup and print. Print setup, what it means, it will show you can print the document in this format. You can select the size of the paper, A4, A5, something like that. So you can select from here and it will give the orientation, portrait and landscape. You can see here the view. It is in the portrait. If you click landscape, again the view code change. That means it is in the vertical and horizontal position where you are printing the paper from the printer. So once you click print, it will give you the option to select the printer connected to your PC or laptop. If you already have a printer connected, it will show you the printer name. Select that one and click print. So it will send the document to the printer and it will print for you. And this exit is, you can close from clicking the exit button or you can close it from the cross icon. So now you will go to edit. Edit means I select this part. I want to copy this one and I want to paste in below this one. So I click enter and the edit select. I can see the paste enabled now. Click paste. Now what I copied is pasted here. Now if I want to click this one, I want to cut Once it is not copying, it's cut from there and you can paste it somewhere. I will click cut. So now it's gone. Put something, some spaces, and again paste. It came. So now I again select this and you can delete this one. When you click the delete option, it's gone. That means it's deleted from the notepad. So now we can do another thing. You can, if you have a big page of data, you have typed something, you have some documents now, and you have to find some words. So for that one, you want to find is from the document. So click, select the is, and from the edit, go to find. You can see now the yes is select came here. So click next. It will give the next is. So you can find all the is in this document. You can click the match case. What is a match case means? If your is in capital and you want to find only the small, it will not show all the capital letter is, it will only the small letter is. So again, if you go on, you can see an option replace. What is replace? See, if you select is and you want to change it with us, okay. So here is option. It will find next. You can find one by one and you can replace, or you can replace one is which is selected, or you can replace all the is in that document. Click on the replace all. You can see now both is got changed to us. This is a replace option in Notepad. And if you want to select all the documents, you cannot go select cursor down and all. Just click on the select all. Your document all gets selected. So if you want to format, if you want to change the font of the data or the size, click on the font. You can see different fonts here. You have to select any font you want. Select one, and I want to put this on italic. So I can put that italic. I can change the font size to 16 and you click OK. See, the whole document got changed. Okay, this is how you can work on the notepad to save your documents and you can format that one, everything. So this is how you can work on this one. If you have any questions about this notepad, how you want to do something else, please let me know in the comment box. I will can give a proper answer for you. Thank you. So now we will move to WordPad. WordPad is a basic word processing of Windows from Windows 95. So that means it's a basic word processor. It's by default from Windows, but it started from Windows 95. From Windows 95 versions, it started and it's available in all uh, other Windows versions from 95. So you can see the WordPad in all this Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, all this Windows you can see the WordPad. So, but this is a simple word processor, but it's powerful than the Notepad, but not that much powerful as the Word document. So now we will go to the video how you can work on the WordPad. Please watch it. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about WordPad. So we'll see how we can open a WordPad by clicking the start menu, or you can type it here in the search. You can type WordPad. You will open the WordPad option. Click there. The WordPad will get open. You can see the WordPad is more powerful than a Notepad and less powerful than a Microsoft Word. When you do some formatting like increasing the font size or changing the font, it will affect in the whole Notepad. But in WordPad, you can select a word, sentence, and paragraph, and you can change the change the font size, make it bold, italic, or underline. can do it freely. Before we go and discuss all these things, we'll see first what are the menus we have. In the file, we have new, which will create a new Word document. Open, which will create open a document which already saved, or you copy from somewhere. You can open an existing WordPad. You can save the current WordPad. Save as, you can save, you have many different options coming. Rich text or Office Open XML. You can save as in different format, and you can save in a different location or if the different name, the same document. So next one is a print, which is similar to Notepad. You can print your document. Print setup is the selecting the paper size A4 or changing the into portrait or landscape. This all we'll do it in page setup, which we already discussed these things in the Notepad. So here another option, extra option here is the send in email. Send in email means if you have Microsoft Outlook configured in your PC, then we can send your document by clicking this option. You'll open a window with your document attached to that one. You can enter the mail ID and click send. It will go to the person who you want. So same option like paste, cut, copy, all these things you have it in the WordPad also. Hello, how are you? So you can see now 2 lines are here. I can select only hello. I can change the font size. I can change the font. I can make it bold or unbold. I can make it italic. I can make it underlined. I can make it strike out. So it will strike out the word. And I can change the color. I can change the background color of hello to blue. See, all these things I cannot see. And I can increase the font by clicking a upper arrow. It will increase. We want reduce, click here. So these all things you can do from here. And another thing is that if you want to align this word, now it is left aligned. It's left aligned. So now you want to align it in the middle. So you can click in this center alignment, click here, it will align to the center. And if you want to align to the right, click in the right alignment, it will align to right. So these are the alignments you can use in this one. And we can put the numbering also. If you do lines you have, you can put them. You can put the dots. Or you can put numbers 1, 2, 3. So there is one space is here, that's why it's 2 came here. So I can type something there. Just put something in there. That's it. Okay. So this is you can put this one, already selected one. See, you can if you don't want anything, you can put none. Select all. Click none. It's gone. So this is the alignments. So you can align by using C. Where the pointer is here, you can align to right, left by clicking this 2 button. Okay. So another, you can see there is another menu here called insert. In that you can see picture, paint drawing, daytime, and insert object. Here, if you see picture, if you can see a down arrow, click on that one, you can see picture. Insert picture. Click on that one. You will open a hello where you can open some images. See, you can enter the image here by clicking the picture and insert picture. Any picture you saved in your laptop or PC, you can copy it to here. So now another benefit like paint drawing. If you click paint drawing, it will open the paint and you can draw something or type something or some images, whatever you can do in the paint, and click save and close that one. It will bring it to the Word document. Next option is the date and time. If you click the date and time, you can get a window with different date format. If I click this and click OK, see, I can get that date format. If you are doing some formal letter or something, you can get the date from there like this. So, so now we'll move to the paint option. So Microsoft Word where you can draw many images or you can open an image and you can modify that one. So we will discuss in the next video that MS Paint. Here you can see different options I already copied here. You have the clipboard, images, tools, shapes, and colors, and the file options. And you can see the page is saved in .png mostly, so, but you can save it in JPG also. So in keyboard, when you use something, you can see this is a Windows key. So you can click on the Windows key and you can click R, the run option will open. So Windows key plus D it will minimize all the work in your desktop. So we'll go to the video now. Now let's see how we can open MS Paint and Word. For that one, if you have a desktop icon, click on that one or command in the search option, type Paint or press the Windows key and R. Then you will get the run option. In that, type MS Paint and click OK. Now the paint got open. You have different options here, and this white area is called the frame. You can make it big or small by clicking the small dots here. When pointed the mouse there, you can change the icon could change. Click there with the left button and you can make it big and you can make it small. Now see what are these options. The clipboard, if you have some text already copied, you can paste it or cut or copy that one. In the image you have select, crop, resize and rotate. The tools you have pen, you have fill color, you have text, you have rubber, you have brushes here, you have many shapes here, you have different colors, and you can select the size of the line what you are doing in the frame. So now I will show you how you can type a word. For that one you have to click on the text, the A icon, click there and come to the frame and click the left button of the mouse and drag it and type here how are you. See now the font color is black. If you want to change the font color, select the red and change it to red. Click on the red color, it will change. If you want to increase the font size, you can increase by font or reduce the color. And if you want to change the font itself, see you can see different fonts are here. You can select any of the font and you can change to that one. Now if you want to draw something, you can draw with the pen. You can write anything. If you want to remove that one, you have the rubber here. You can remove it with the rubber. And if you have to draw something with the shapes, click on the shape and came to the frame and press the left button of the mouse and drag. Now the circle got, you want to change the color of the circle, then click on the color which you want. So the circle color could change. Now if you want to fill the circle with some color, for that one you have to click on the fill with color and select which color you want to fill. If you want brown, and then come here inside the circle, click, you will get that color. And if you want to select this area only, you want any other area. So only you want to see in the frame, you want to see this one. So select that area and click on the crop. So paint will remove all other parts other than you selected. And then you can again make the frame bigger. And now if you want to copy this two times, see, select this one, click copy and paste. When you paste, by default it will go to the upper side of the frame. Click on the area and drag it to which place you want. For that you have to left click the mouse and drag it. See, you will get this icon. That means it's ready to drag. Then only you have to click on the left mouse button and drag it. Otherwise, if it's this icon, you can just make it big or something like that. So there is another type called view. In that one you can zoom in or zoom out the frame. If I want to put some grid lines, you can have it at selecting that one. And the ruler, select it, the ruler. If you don't want anything, keep the defaults and make it, if you want to draw a line, and you can make the size of the line by clicking the size. See, now it got smaller. You got a bigger one, it get bigger. So these are the basic things. You can do it in the paint. You can explore more. Now I'll show you how you can open a image in paint. Now I have an image here. Select that one and right click that one. There is option called open with. Click on the open with. How the paint option will come. Click on the paint. It will open in paint. Now if you want to resize this image, click on the resize of percentage and pixel. Click on the pixel for 225 to 500. So both will automatically get changed. So click on OK. Now you can see the image got bigger without losing any quality. So this is the one you can do. So if you want to select only one speaker, select the speaker, crop it. So these are all the things you can do with the paint. Explore more. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. I will reply for you. So thank you. So we'll stop the part one here. So the Microsoft Words and Microsoft product and the operating system we will discuss in the part two. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel so you'll get the part two. So you can watch the part two also. Thank you.